The last words, the old song. We listen our Lolo and Lola since here in the land of the promise. I was dancing with a dolly to the Tennessee wall while the whole breath I happened to see. I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweet love from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee walls. Now I know just how much time I've lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Thank you for the whole song. I remember our Lolo is alive, and yet song and my papa. Thank you very much. The last words is he, she, represents our grandmaster. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night you were playing